Thieves don't want you to know this trick. It makes finding your money or valuables feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. If you keep extra cash, jewelry, or other valuables at home, you've probably wondered where to hide them. There are lots of ways, but here's one that's simple and genius. You can hide money in a roll of toilet paper. Just unroll a bit, place your bills inside, then roll it back up and return it to wherever you store extra toilet paper. Just don't forget which roll. There's another clever use for a toilet paper roll, combined with a jar. All you need is the cardboard tube and a jar that's either the same height or slightly shorter. Insert the tube into the empty jar and mark the top edge. Cut the tube to match the jar's height, then place it back inside. Now, take any dry food product like rice, lentils, I used lentils, cereal, flaxseed, anything you normally store in a jar. Pour it around the tube to fill the space. Inside the tube, you've got a hidden compartment. Once the jar is closed, it looks completely normal. Fold your cash or place your jewelry inside the hidden space. Then just put the jar back in your pantry with the rest of your food. No thief is going to spend time digging through dry goods, and even if they did, they'd never guess what's hidden in that jar. It's simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. There's a reason I always place glasses on the door handle like this. I worked in hotels for many years. This trick was shared with me by a frequent guest who's been using it for years. Everyone should know it. Many hotel rooms don't have any additional lock on the inside, and anyone with a duplicate key card can open the door from the outside. If you're staying somewhere unfamiliar and want to feel safer, this simple method can help you sleep more peacefully. All you need are 2 glasses from the hotel room. Hang one horizontally on the handle, sliding it in as deep as possible. Then place the second glass upright on top of the first. Leave it like this overnight. If someone tries to open the door, the glasses will fall and make a loud noise. You'll wake up immediately, and the noise will scare off the intruder. This trick is simple but highly effective. It's used not only by solo travelers, but also by flight crew and hotel staff, who often sleep in unfamiliar places. In Germany, people place spoons on their windowsills before going on vacation. They can even arrange several rows for a stronger effect. You can also place spoons by the patio doors. It's a simple way to check if a burglar tried to get inside. If the spoons have been moved or knocked over, you can immediately see that someone has tampered with your home. This bottle trick is a well-known method used by thieves. It's important to be cautious if you see a plastic bottle wedged under your car's body near a wheel. These incidents are happening more often because thieves are getting more creative. The bottle trick is just one of their clever ways to steal a car without needing the keys. All they need is an ordinary empty drink bottle. If you spot one near your wheel, be careful. It's not an accident, but a planned scam. Thieves often place the bottle on the passenger side, knowing drivers rarely check there, especially when traveling alone. The idea is that as you start driving, the bottle gets stuck between the tire and the body, making a strange noise. Naturally, you'll stop and get out to see what's wrong. That's exactly what the thieves want. They're counting on you leaving the engine running and the doors open with your belongings inside. They can then quickly jump in and drive away, or steal whatever you left in the car. It's an unpleasant and stressful situation, so stay alert and always check around your wheels before driving. It's also good to warn friends about this trick so they don't get caught off guard. Car thieves are using increasingly deceptive methods. That's why it's important to know how to protect your car from theft and stay alert. If you notice anything suspicious on your car's door handle, don't ignore the signal, and under no circumstances should you touch it with your bare hands. It's best to immediately move to a safe distance or park your car somewhere else where you will have better control over the situation. This is one of the ways to avoid car theft. If you need to remove the item, use gloves, a tissue, or a tool to avoid direct contact. There is a risk that the item may have been coated with an irritating or sticky substance designed to cause discomfort and distract you. In some cases, this distraction could be enough for thieves to strike, making it crucial to stay vigilant. It's during this brief moment of distraction that thieves use new car theft methods and may attempt a break-in or steal the vehicle. So, always stay cautious, observe your surroundings, and react calmly but firmly. It's these details that can protect you from theft. Car thieves are using a new trap. If you notice anything suspicious on your car door handle, stay cautious. Do not touch it under any circumstances. It's best to move your car to another location and keep your distance. If you must remove the object, use gloves or a tool. Thieves may have applied an irritating substance to it to force you to wipe your hands, distract you, or cause discomfort. In that brief moment of distraction, theft or a break-in becomes much easier. Stay especially alert. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. They don't teach this in driving school. Become a perfect driver with these tips. You can park perfectly anywhere. Just follow these simple steps. Move close to the front of the car on your right until your right mirror is aligned with it. Turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly move forward until you see the parking line touch your car's door handle in the mirror. Then, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing. Straighten the wheel and continue backing up until your car fits perfectly into the parking space. Parallel parking. Approach the car in front and stop when your mirror aligns with the side mirror of the car next to you. This is the perfect starting position. Turn the wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly reverse while watching your right mirror. When your rear door handle aligns with the car behind, stop. Straighten the wheel and keep reversing until your rear right tire touches the parking space's center line. Now, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and continue reversing until your car is perfectly parallel to the curb. Many drivers make the same mistake. They turn the wheel immediately when pulling out. Here's the correct way to do it. First, move forward without turning the wheel. Keep going until the end of your driver's door aligns with the front of the car next to you. Only then should you turn the wheel in the desired direction and continue driving out. This way, you'll avoid hitting the nearby vehicle. These simple methods will protect your car from unnecessary damage and make parking in tight spots much easier.